Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And today I have a super quick and easy little treat package using the Sale-A-Bration Fruit Salad Designer Series paper. Lots of lovely different fruity designs in this paper pack that you can get for free with a qualifying order before the 28th of February. So last couple of days to grab yourself a free product with a qualifying spend. So this one, as I say, super quick and easy. You need just one sheet of the designer series paper and then a strip and a piece of card. This bit slides off and we have a strawberry and banana snacking fruit little package in there. So it's just like a little envelope. Tuck that in there. That comes over and then you've got your sentiment over there. How quick and easy is that? The sentiment is from the Attention Shoppers. And I'm just going to make a second one. So I've decided to go with this one. Both of these designs have got strawberries and bananas in them, amongst other things obviously. But I thought that was appropriate for this relatively healthy snack by my standards. So 6x6 paper, it doesn't matter which way around you go. I'm going to score that at 2 inches and then 4 3/4. Like that. That's that done. And then on this other piece, I'm going to make this my sort of belly band. I've got 6 inches in length and I'm just trimming that down to 1.5 inches. Okay, so we shall do the package first. Just give that a little gentle fold over this way and that way. Then we need to put a little bit of glue on the edge there and along there. Just a little fine line. Fold that over, give that a good press, and same here. Okay, and then I'm just going to let that glue settle whilst I stamp. I've got the other bit of the card that I didn't use. As I say, the stamp is from Attention Shoppers, this Treat Yourself. I've gone with real red ink to go with the strawberries. Love that font. It's just gorgeous. And then I'm using the Heartfelt Hexagon Punch. Line that up where you want it. Just give it a press. That's that done. Okay. My glue should be dry on that. What I would say is with these packs, these are from Lidl, is just kind of flatten out the bits so that it's not just got a big lump at one end or anything like that, because it is a tight fit. But I just thought it would be cool to make something nice and quick and easy with this designer series paper. So I want my join to be just above that edge there, and I'm just wrapping that around, and it is a neat finish there, so there's not a huge overlap. It's about 1/8 inch of an overlap. So normally I would put my glue under there and I'd put that down. It's too narrow. So tear and tape to the rescue. And this is where I could use with an extra hand. Sometimes in life you just feel a third hand would be quite handy, if you pardon the pun. So I'm just going over those two that join there. Okay, so my join is there and I've got my tearing tape going either side of it there. Then my sentiment, I'm going to put 2 strips of tearing tape, preferably not stuck to myself. Take that off. Project's much quicker if you get your tearing tape to behave. Alright, let's bring in my little ruler. Love using that to just get a nice, quick, easy tear. You can do it at an angle as well if you want, like that. So I'll use my take your pick to remove the backing of that one. 2, and I'm going to take the backing off here as well. And this, try and get that centered. Pop that on there, and those 3 bits of adhesive should keep that little band in place like that. And then my final touch was to add some gold textured adhesive back dots. As you see, they come in 3 sizes, so I've gone 1 large and a small beside it, and then a medium one up here. And there you go. How quick and easy is that for quite a nice little healthy-ish snack? So, you know, you could just rattle through making all of those up really nice and quickly as a little treat. So you could have them in sort of snack boxes or as a little party gift, or just because. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get a notification the next time I upload a tutorial. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.